afternoon, everybody. This is Dada, the mad scientist, and this is his daughter, Armine. Welcome to our show. What is our show today?
We're gonna make a volcano.
We're gonna make a volcano. Is this all of our stuff that we're gonna be working with today?
Yes.
Okay, my lovely assistant. What is your name, my lovely assistant?
Armine.
Your name is Armine. Okay. Before we get started, Armine, you're missing something very important to protect your hands. What are you missing? Gloves. All right, let's put them on. Okay. Sometimes we run into some little minor problems where we gotta improvise and help out each other. Sharing is what?
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. All righty, we got our right hand up, and let's get our left hand up because we help each other in this household. Sharing is caring. Thank you, my lovely assistant Armine. Okay, all right. In front of us, we're gonna be using in our experiment. What is this, Armine?
Vinegar.
No, that is baking soda, but very close. This is vinegar. Okay, so we're gonna be using 2 spoons of baking soda, 3/4 of vinegar, and what are these, Armine, again?
Colors.
Colors. Which color would you prefer in your food coloring?
Red.
Red one. Why is red your favorite color?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put them right here. All right, are you ready?
Let's need to clean the cap.
Okay, you clean the cap. So, to get started, we need to pour 3/4 of, slowly, carefully. Oh, that's good. And there we go. Good job. Alrighty. So now, we need 2 tablespoons. Slowly. And there we go. 1 spoon. Beautiful. Let's do another one. 1 more tablespoon, Armine. Assistant Armine. Good. Alrighty. So now, are we ready for our explosion?
Yes.
Alrighty. Thank you so much. This is your one. Red food coloring. Alright, let's put that in here. Good. There. Alrighty. Oh, are you ready for our red? Yes, steer it. Yep. What are you using to steer? That's beautiful. What is that called? A steering stick?
Yeah.
Okay, that's beautiful. We're learning everything as we go. Alright, are we ready for our eruption? We are finally back and ready to make our volcano! And watch it now!
I want to do it one more time.
Yay! There is our first try at our volcano!
I
Alright!
want to do it one
Double!
more time.
Okay, let's try it again. What do you have there? What are you pouring? Vinegar. What is that? Is that vinegar? We needed to do what?
We needed to do a
Volcano explosion. Okay, now we need
Okay.
2 spoons of baking soda.
Okay.
My lovely assistant Armine here is gonna help us out. What is your favorite color? What coloring are we gonna use? Blue. Alrighty. Let's go. Dada gonna open it. Dada made scientist. Dada the doggy. And what is your name, assistant?
Armine.
Assistant Armine. How old are you? You're 3.5. Well done. You're really smart for a 3.5-year-old. Okay, I will do the baking soda, and you will do the colorings. Because that's what we are. We are a team. 1,
And I need a little bit too.
2. Okay.
Now we're doing
Put some more. And
here.
steer. And it's ready, I believe. Ooh, we're gonna make a big giant volcano explosion. Are your goggles back on for safety? Alrighty, are we ready, scientists? Mad scientist family, here we go! Blue volcano!
Hit it up.
And there you go.
Thank you.
Slowly. That is good, that's good. Pour it. There we go. Glorious lava. That was a good one.
I want to do it one more time.
Okay.
I want to do a blue.
That's good. Alright. What are we gonna be doing right now with our second project? Volcanoes. Volcanoes, but with who?
Me.
Yeah, but who else we're gonna put in the volcano? We're gonna put baking soda,
I
2 spoons of baking soda. Okay, let's put that over here. Let me help you. Alright. Oh. Nice. Let's put one more carefully, just like that. Good. Slowly. Okay. Alright. So what is our second mixture that we need? What is that? It's vinegar, right? Okay. What are you doing right now, my assistant?
Put the dinosaurs there.
Why did you put the dinosaurs there? Because they're part of the eruption?
Yes.
What are we making today, Armine?
Daddy, can you get the full color to me?
Okay, which one do you want to choose? Which color? Red? Which one is red one?
Red one means stop.
Red means stop, okay, but that's that one or this one? This one?
Red.
Okay, alright. Wait a second, what are we missing though? We're missing something.
We're missing
Are we missing what's this?
face cream.
Face cream? It's foam. Why do we need foam?
Because we need it so it can get nice.
Okay, but maybe you should put your color first in your vinegar. There you go. Some more. Go ahead. Assistant Armine. What color are you putting here?
I put it red.
Okay, why do you like red so much?
Maybe because it's my favorite color.
It's your favorite color? Okay. What experiment are we making today?
We're making red volcano.
Red volcano with who? Who did we put in there?
Dinosaur.
What's this called?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream or foam. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
It just exploded.
Okay, now you ready? There's gonna be a giant explosion. Oh no!
Can you help
Let
me?
me help you. Ready? Steady. Oh! Giant explosion!
I want to do it one more time.
There we go. Bow.
Stop it!
No, let it go. It's eruption.
Stop
It's eruption still.
it! I want to do it one more
Bow.
time.
That was fun.
Yes!
So, what happened to our dinosaurs? Did our dinosaurs come out?
Yes! Oh no,
Where are
wait,
they?
I need
Are we
to
gonna save them?
Yes!
Oh no.
Oh no, they're dead!
Oh no, they're dead. What happened to the
I
dinosaurs?
can't find them.
You know, this is how the dinosaurs are no longer alive. Because of the major volcanoes and...
Can you help me with my
what else?
gloves?
Okay.
Oh no.
Why? Because you're gonna try to save them?
Yes.
Save the dinosaurs.
Mommy,
Save the
we need
dinosaurs.
to save them.
Okay, dear Dr. Scientist.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Mommy,
Try to save them. Try to save them. Are they there? I don't think they came. I think they're still in there.
Okay, let's check.
Oh no. Oh no. They're still there.
I dropped my goggles.
There's one. I see him. He's here. He's here. Ah, there they are. There they are.
They're dead.
They're dead. Oh no, what killed them? What killed them? What killed the dinosaurs?
The volcano.
The volcano. Poor dinosaurs. Da, 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 da.
A few hours later.
And we're back with another show with Learning with the Bee. What part of stuff we're going to be using here, Armine? What are you using right now? These. What is that?
Full color.
Okay, food coloring. What are you holding right there?
Holding this.
What is that? What are you holding? What are you using to hold?
I am using this.
What is that called?
Tweezers.
Tweezers. And what is this? What do you use this for?
Now I have my glass to look at doggy's footprints.
You look at doggy's footprints. Why do we need to look at doggy's footprints?
Maybe because they're big.
They're big. Why? Because we need to clean them.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready to do our experiment?
Yes, yes.
What is this experiment? What are we doing?
I need to switch.
You need to switch? You need to switch spots? Okay, I guess. Alright, we need vinegar. Are you ready? We put it here. Your safety glasses. What is this called?
I'll make it this.
Yeah, let's call it this. Slowly. What did we pour just now? What's that called?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Bravo. And this is called a funnel. Alright, you have your safety glasses on?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, what about dinosaurs? We need our dinosaurs. Okay, how many spoons are you gonna use? 3. Alright, sounds good. Uh-oh, the safety goggles. Put them back
I
on.
think that's enough.
Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, what about our dinosaurs now? Alright. What do you know about dinosaurs, Armine?
Dinosaurs are rabbits.
They're rabbits. Yeah. How many dinosaurs do you know? Do you know a lot of dinosaurs? 2 dinosaurs. What are we doing here? What kind of experiment are we doing?
We're doing a lava.
Lava experiment. Alright, we're missing our foam. First we gotta put our foam. Okay. Now what are we missing? What's this? Food coloring. What color did you use, Armine?
Blue.
Blue. Why do you like blue so much? You like blue?
Yes, I like it.
Okay. What's blue?
Blue is a favorite volcano of experiment.
Okay. Alright, what do you know about volcanoes?
They erupt in lava.
They erupt in lava. Is lava really hot or is lava really cold?
Well, when it turns into rock, it melts.
They melt. They turn into rock eventually, right when they cool off. Right? Alright. Here is your. Alright, that goes right there. Okay. More, a little bit more. Why not? Alright. So we're hoping to get our dinosaurs out. Let's see if our trick works.
Daddy, I did it.
Okay, good job. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Steady. What is this called?
I'm gonna make it my glass.
What do you use it for?
I use it for looking at the lava when it's hot.
Okay, you need your good job. And you need your good. Are we ready? Steady. And go! Ta-da!
One more time.
This is a slow volcano in progress. Let's see if we can just do this.
I want to pour it.
There it is! Ah! It's coming, blue volcano! Here it is, Armine, look! Wow. What do you know about volcanoes? Look at this, it's blue lava. Look at this blue lava. Yeah, spirit, blue lava. You're not supposed to touch with your hands because you can burn. This is blue lava. See, we don't touch the blue lava. So what did you learn about today's experiment, Assistant Armine? Alright. Wow. So what do you know about volcanoes? What did we learn today? That if we mix what? 2 tables of baking soda, vinegar, and if we have all of this and we combine it together, we can create a monster lava bubble.
Look, they love each other.